How does 3D printing jewelry work? 3D printing can be used for jewelry production in two different ways, indirectly or directly. Let's start with the indirect method. Using the lost wax process, a mold is first 3D printed in wax or a wax-like polymer. This mold represents the exact shape of the final jewelry piece. Next, a precious metal is poured into the mold. During the process, the mold burns away, leaving behind the final metal piece. This is why it's called an indirect method. 3D printing is used to create the mold, not the jewelry itself. On the other hand, jewelry can also be produced directly using 3D printing technologies. Plastic jewelry can be printed using processes like SLS, FDM, or SLA. But some metal 3D printers are also capable of printing with precious metals, such as gold or silver. For example, Cloud Factory manufactures jewelry directly using the SLM process, producing fully finished metal pieces straight from the printer. All in all, 3D printing is particularly well suited for individualized jewelry produced in small quantities. And in some cases, it even pushes the limits of what's possible. In 2020, a 3D printed ring made it into the Guinness Book of Records. Set with 7,801 diamonds, the Divine became the ring with the most diamonds ever set.